How to create custom sticker on Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can create custom sticker on Snapchat. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch your Snapchat application in a mobile device and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to create your custom sticker on Snapchat, first of all you need to click a picture, or you must have a snap in your Snapchat. So for now we will just take a snap real quick. So this is a snap right here. Now, in order to create your custom sticker from this snap, navigate to the toolbar at your right hand side. So from there, under the sticker icon, there is a small scissor icon. Tap on it. Now you have to draw the border to define your selection. So tap on draw. Now, in order to make a sticker, you have to draw the part of your snap that you want to use as a sticker right here. For example, I have this part right here. Once you have drawn that, now tap on done from the top right corner. And there you can see now I can use this part as a sticker in my snap. So that's how you can create a custom sticker on Snapchat, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.